So here's how to write a book on ChatGPT. First up, you need to head over to the ChatGPT website. And as you can see, I'm already here. You can just type in chatgpt.com in the browser. So once you're here, you will get to see an interface like this. Make sure that you're logged in to your account. Now, just head over to the text input field and put in your text prompt. Try to give it the idea for your book in as much detail as possible. And once you're done, just click on the submit button. And as you can see, ChatGPT has now started writing the book. It may take a while, but as you can see, it is constructing different parts of the book. You will notice that it only gave the brief descriptions of the chapters for now, but you can later elaborate each part for the book. This way, it will continue writing until it's done. Then, you can go ahead and use ChatGPT to elaborate each chapter or part of the book that you want. And that is exactly how to write a book using ChatGPT.